Okay. This is okay, I'm doing this on the screen as you can see it there. So I'm opening. So this is the page that I've got that I've started so far, and I've got a couple of pictures. So I've got space BMP, etc. I've got a few pictures. I want to put them into a table. So I start with an opening table tag. And I might put maybe a border around it so you can easily see it. You can, by default, there's no border. But just so that you can see the grid and see how it looks. So I've got a starting table and I've got an ending table. I'm going to have 3 pictures on a row, and underneath it I'm going to have descriptions of my 3 pictures. So I've got a TORF, which is the row, so starting row, and then I'll have an ending row. And then each box is going to be table data. So starting table data, ending table data. And I'm going to put that in. So I'll have 3 table data, so I'm just going to copy and paste. And I'm going to have a second row that's going to have underneath it a description. So I'm just copying and pasting again for my second row. So each one I'm going to have a picture in. So I'll have IMG, SRC equals, and I'll have the name of the picture. And I'm going to make them all the same size, WIDTH equals, in inverted commas, and then height equals in inverted commas. And that's all my table data that's in the box. So let's say if I have the width of all of them is going to be 300 and the height, or let me make it 300, and a height I'll have 200. It forces all of them to be the same size. So the first one I have here is called space .bmp. Now I'm going to copy this for my second picture and my third picture. But I'm just going to change the name in each case. So the second one is space2.jpg.
Sorry for the interruption. Can Keane and Connor Marley please come to reception with your bags, please? That's Keane and Connor Marley to reception, please.
And the third one is space3.jpg. And then I'm just going to have some letters there underneath each of them, just to describe whatever should be in the table. I've already saved that as an HTML, so I can click Save now, and I'll go back, and I'll double click it to open it. So the table is down here at the bottom. So there's the 1, 2, 3 pictures, and my words should be underneath there down the bottom. So that's now, if you decide you don't like the idea of having a grid around it, you can take out the border bit. But that's it. So I would be, if you're doing, what's yours on, Joe? So you might have maybe a picture of your favorite players with their names underneath, whatever. Okay.